Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to completely uninstall Discord from your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your Windows and search for Discord. Here you can see the Discord app. Now click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see the option of uninstall. Click on it. Now scroll down and search for Discord. Here you can see the Discord app. Now click on three dots. Here you can find the option of uninstall. Press on it. This is how you can uninstall Discord app from your laptop. If you want to completely uninstall Discord from your laptop, then press on your keyboard Windows plus R and type here %app.dat%discord. Now press on OK. And again you have to press on your keyboard Windows plus R. Now here you have to type for %local_app.dat%discord. Now press on OK. So this is how you can completely uninstall Discord app from your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.